Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
The morning dawned breezy with the promise of storms on the wind. We decided that this would be a great place to spend an extra day, and we set out to do a little shopping in the historic center, and to do some of the things that tourists do. No, we didn't ride the train. But we did see Helga again, who was following the same route as us.
Did we run into our friend Helga?
Did you go to Shanghai?
Yeah, I went yesterday.
How was it?
Oh, it was great.
We're thinking of going now. It's fabulous.
It's fabulous.
It's fabulous.
It's really
worth going. Yeah. How to stay in touch?
How we stay in touch?
Yeah.
We meet every time.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday I had the idea to put a sign where it goes to say which city. Put the sign on and say, oh, hello from Helga.
Do you have a Facebook or?
No, I'm not a Facebooker.
Email?
Just have a telephone number. 241313
I like your rig here. It's nice.
What do you like, Mike?
Bike.
Your rig, your setup.
Oh.
Bike setup. Yeah.
I like the basket that you have.
Yeah.
Can I give you mine? Or do you not want to exchange numbers?
Yes, as you ask me now, I have to say yes.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
So we took off to enjoy our respective rest days. Victor and Nadia wanted to tour Chenonceau, the other top-drawer Loire chateau, and Julianna and I opted instead for a quick train ride to Tours, the major city close by, to look at bicycle shops. Victor and Nadia wanted to tour Chenonceau, the other top-drawer Loire chateau.
No Chenonceau.
No?
They're working on the tracks.
Oh, it's too bad. But Victor and Nadia found a bus to take them to the chateau, and we caught the train into Tours.
Made it just in time to the little cafe. Just in time. Get a little coffee. We've got some lunch ordered.
And so once the rain cleared, we bought me a rain jacket and then looked for a bicycle shop. Julianna was more and more convinced that her Salsa Journeyman was no longer cutting it as a touring bike, and enough mechanics had told her that it simply wasn't built to handle the weight of day-to-day touring. She found the bike of her dreams, but of course, no inventory. Same old story. And we headed back to Amboise.
Looking for it.
Roland?
You got a new jacket.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like it. I'm going to be able to find you on the trail no matter how far ahead of me.
Oh.
My new jacket.
Love it.
Nice,
Will not
okay.
be shot by accident on the trail.
So we are finally leaving. Where are we again?
Was.
Amboise. And let's see, it's supposed to be a windy day, but we are hitting the highlights of the trail. So let's go.
Let's ride.
Finally leaving Amboise through the market on a blustery morning, but the skies look beautiful and conditions seem awesome. Good morning, baby.
Good morning. All full of good coffee and French pastries, all carved up for the day. Had pasta last night. Well, we better ride hard to burn this off. I want to put on that vacation tan.
Oh my God, I've got enough carbs to last me for about 50 miles.
Yeah.
But we got strong winds, so maybe 30. That wind is sometimes a challenge. Happy trails, y'all. The next day found us ready for the open road. Bonjour! Ever since Nevers, we had been following the Eurovelo 6, the river's route, so named because it crosses Europe following the Loire from the Atlantic, and then the Danube east to the Black Sea. We left Amboise heading west, past mushroom hunters and tiny villages. And vineyards, lots and lots of vineyards. As much as we appreciated the local varietals at the end of the day, we loved riding through these fields with their clean lines converging in the distance, heavy with their bounty.
Look at these beautiful grapes. They're ripe, sweet, and ready for harvest. Gorgeous grapes.
Yes. Looking all sporty. I do like those glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Adios, amigo.
Bonjour.
Morning, Victor.
Oh, Roland, my view is so beautiful. Simple pleasures of life. Whoever grows out of that feeling.
Bonjour. Very underfed little kitten here.
Come here, little one.
Oh, check a.
I'm sorry, little kitten.
Oh, it looks cool, doesn't it? Yes, it's beautiful.
Anything for her?
Let's see what we got.
Any
There you go.
cheese?
There is a piece of cheese in there.
Is there?
Yeah, I think so.
Little girl.
There you go. Oh, yes. Oh, it looks cool, doesn't it?
Here, baby. Here. You're starving. Give you some calories there. Okay.
More, please.
Go ahead, honey.
Riding into Tours. Who knows? The French know, but they ain't telling. I think it's Tours. Now we're in the city. We were here yesterday on the train shopping for a bike instead of curiosity for Julianna. We liked it. We thought Tours is a nice city. It's big, bustling, happening.
Look at these.
Although Julianna and I had already explored a small piece of the city yesterday, it was fun to enjoy it from the seat of a bike.
Here comes a little rain.
The first order of business was, of course, lunch.
Get lunch.
Good lunch.
And then we wound our way through town, stopping for bike supplies along the way.
Oh, chain oil. Yeah, for the chain. Dry lube, Nadia. Thank you for the lube. Sounds funny, but yeah, you have to have gloves. If you fall, it'll take all the skin off your palms.
Oh my god, look at this tandem. Look up here. Look at the
I know, I
tandem.
saw that.
Oh, is that cute?
They're great.
It's a tandem.
Kamut led us through a very confusing route through the city, but we eventually rejoined the river.
windy. Wow, it is just blowing. Can't go more than 10 miles an hour.
Really windy right now on the way to Villandry, which is where we're gonna spend the night. Kind of in this open plain, and the wind is just eating us. Beautiful day otherwise, though.
Bonjour. Love making people smile.
Julianna's having a bit of a problem with her rear wheel. She had it replaced back there in Blois. Seems to be rubbing again, squeaking. We're concerned. She would like to replace it if she could. Yeah, the whole bike. Got a new wheel on it, but still got that squeaky noise. Still got a bit of rubbing. It's a problem. Glimpses of the Cher River, which is the river that cuts under Chemonceau. Beautiful. It's a gorgeous, clear river.
By the Cher River next to the Sunny Meadow.
Exactly. A beautiful concrete path all the way, it looks like, into Villandry. Great views of the river. Big, beautiful fields. But wind, oh man, this is tougher than any wind we faced crossing the US. Feels like we're climbing the whole way. Unbroken view of the Cher River. Wind is blowing it upstream.
Beautiful.
So gorgeous. Stunning. Cher, that's deer, isn't it?
Yes.
Ma chérie amour.
Even though the wind was unrelenting, it sketched a breathtakingly beautiful sky, carving up the blue with billows of gray and white, and coloring the landscapes along the Loire and the Cher rivers with a painter's palette.
Less than a mile.
And though we had to fight for every pedal stroke, the mood in our little group was upbeat.
Coming into Villandry. Beautiful little welcome. Oh yeah, this looks nice.
Is it Aperol Spritz time?
I think so.
We were tired when we reached the village of Villandry, but the town turned out to be exceptionally pretty, with an 11th century church and a Renaissance-era chateau just next door to our Airbnb. Here's what the room looks like. You've got a little kitchen area here, place to sit, nice bedroom for us, and a nice bedroom in there for Victor and Nadia. Very lovely. And then here's our back deck. This view of the castle is at the back deck of our Airbnb. Get the moat and a little bit of the castle there. Nice.
Bonjour.